Create a 5 minutes video for YouTube about apply visit buy tourist visa for UAE, France, Canada, Japan. Here's a clear country-by-country guide on how to apply for visit tourist visas for Dubai, UAE, France, Canada, and Japan in 2025, including eligibility, process, documents, and key tips. Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Visit tourist visa, who needs it? Most non-GCC nationals. Validity, usually 30 or 60 days. Extendable. Steps. 1. Choose how to apply. Through an airline. Emirates, Etihad, Fly Dubai, Air Arabia. Via a hotel in Dubai. Through a travel agency approved by UAE authorities. Online through the UAE ICP portal. https joxicp.gov.ae or GDRFA Dubai, https www.gdrfad.gov.ae. 2. Required documents. Passport valid for at least 6 months, passport-sized photo, white background, flight, and hotel booking, proof of funds or sponsor details, if required. Visa fee payment receipt. 3. Processing time, 3 to 5 working days, can be faster for express. France. Schengen. Visit visa. Who needs it? Non-EU citizens from countries that require a visa for Schengen travel. Validity. Up to 90 days in any 180-day period. Steps. 1. Apply online. https japers.francevisas.gouv.fr. 2. Create an account, fill in the application form, and book an appointment at your nearest VFS Global or TLS contact center. 3. Attend the appointment with biometrics and documents. Required documents: valid passport, issued in last 10 years, valid 3 months beyond stay. Completed application form. 2 passport photos, travel insurance, minimum $30,000 coverage. Round-trip flight booking, hotel reservations or invitation letter, proof of financial means, employment student proof processing time, 10-15 days, can vary. Canada, visitor visa, temporary resident visa, TRV, who needs it? Most foreign nationals, except visa-exempt countries. Validity, usually up to 6 months. Steps. 1. Apply online. https://www.canada.ca. Visit. 2. Create an IRCC account, fill out the online form, and upload documents. 3. Pay the fee, CAD $100 plus biometrics fee. 4. Submit biometrics at a VFS Global Center. 5. Wait for approval and send your passport if requested. Required documents: passport, digital photo, travel history, proof of funds, purpose of visit, invitation itinerary, employment or school letter, family details, processing time, 3-8 weeks depending on location. Japan, temporary visitor visa, who needs it? Most non-visa exempt nationals. Validity, up to 90 days, single or multiple entry. Steps. 1. Visit official site, https www.dmofa.go.jpj info visit visa. 2. Check your country's Japanese embassy or consulate for specific instructions. 3. Prepare documents and submit via VFS Japan or embassy. Required documents: passport, visa application form, photo, white background, 4.5 VIG 4.5 side centimeters, flight and accommodation bookings, daily itinerary, bank statement, recent 3 to 6 months, employment certificate or proof of income, processing time 5 to 7 working days. General tips for all applications: always use official government or embassy websites, not third-party sites. Ensure passport validity, minimum 6 months. Apply well in advance, at least 1 to 2 months before travel. Maintain proof of financial stability. Provide consistent details across documents. Would you like me to create a comparison table showing fees, validity, and processing times for all 4 countries? It can help you decide where to start. Settings: use appropriate media. Don't add any subtitle. Use a male, clear American voice for the narrator.